JEEZY, chill. We trap or die, baby. Hey, y'all already know we all love them JEEZY type beats, man. Gucci Mane, 06. Y'all already know, man. That's the type of vibe I'm feeling today. But it's your boy Trail 2Time, back again with another video. Today we going old school trap or die. JEEZY, Gucci. We finna make one of them type beats, man. I ain't finna do too much talking. Go ahead, click the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you stay updated when I make any new beat content, any new beat videos. Let's go ahead and get straight into it, man. Let's go. Alright, let's get into it. We got a fresh new project pulled up in FL Studio. Let's go ahead and pick us a tempo. Let's go about 143. Might change to 145. We'll see. Alright, y'all. A good foundation for them JEEZY beats, man. We go with the brass. Gotta go brass. Go with brass section out of Xenology. Let's go ahead and copy them bottom notes over and bring them down. Let's do it one more time. Let's copy everything over. Let's change up the bottom of the last part a little bit. Send it over to the mixer. Let's go ahead and pull up an EQ. We got some of the highs. Some of the low mids. Let's do a compressor. Let's also put a little chorus on there. About right there is cool. All right, for the next time, we're going to go with this Red Pizzy. I don't know. It's out of the Trapology by Pillow Boy Shawty. Pretty good sounding kit, man. Let's go ahead and lay something down. All right, let's go ahead and quantize all that and copy it over. Hey, it's already giving that JEEZY feel. Kill! Let's put a little EQ on it. Cut out the lows. Bring down a little bit of that harsh frequency right here. We got some of the highs. Compressor. Let's go with a little bit of reverb. Cut out the low end. All right, for the next time, we're going to go with the Synth Lead out of the Trapology by Pillow Boy Shawty kit. Let's go ahead and lay something down. Tough. All right, we got that sent over to the mixer. Let's go ahead and start off with the basic EQ. Let's go in next with a compressor. Turn the gain up a little bit. Let's go ahead and play around with a little reverb on it. About right there. Let's go ahead and pan the counter melody in that synth lead to the left and to the right. Next time we're gonna go with the new strobe out of the Trapology preset bank for Zenology. Let's go ahead and lay something down with that too. Straight like that. Let's go ahead and copy it over. I forgot to mention y'all, this really supposed to be like my pad sound, but it's really kind of doing like an art type thing at the same time. Let's go ahead and start off with an EQ to mix it up. Go in next with a compressor. Yeah, I'm feeling a little reverb on it, y'all. I'm really using some of the same plugins on this beat, but it's 06 beat and don't really need too much. Alright, y'all, for one more embellishment, I think I'm gonna go with the plug bell out of the Trapology by Pull Up Boy Shawty and Shine on the track. Zenology preset bank, man. Y'all go download that, man. I seen it on the Instagram ad, and it works. Just go get it. Messed up a little at the end. We're gonna get it out of there, though. Went ahead and quantized everything, so it's gonna sound like this. Hey, this mug hard. I might change some of this. Hey, that's tough for sure, for sure. Let's put them all on the same velocity. Let's EQ that a little bit. Compressor. Let's actually turn that down a little bit more, y'all. I'm gonna go and put a tubular bell in there, y'all. Let's go with that one. I don't know too many people that use 2 octaves on a tubular bell, but I'm gonna do it today. Let's send that to the mixer. We're gonna EQ it. I got some of that low mids a little bit on that. Cut down those mids just a slight bit amount. Look at some of the highs. Let's go with the compressor on that. And we definitely gonna put some reverb on that. Let's turn it to the right. Chill. That's right. Chill. I got this Lex Luger snare I think I'm gonna use. Let's use that. Copy that over a few times. Hey, it's getting up. It's getting up. Y'all hear it already. For the hi-hat, I think I'm gonna use this best ATL hat out of the Tri-Freeze ATL Culture Volume 1 kit. Let's go with that one. Sound good. Let's go ahead and start off with a basic two-step pattern. Oh yeah. That sounded pretty good. We're gonna play around with the rolls and stuff a little later, but I think I'm gonna put a clap layer with that snare. Let's see what we can find. All right, to layer that clap with that snare, I'm gonna go with the OG clap out of ATL Culture Volume 1 kit by Trapsoul. Sound like that. Let's just copy that snare pattern over and put it on the clap. Oh yeah. Ooh. Turn up velocity a little bit. Hey, that JEEZY, chill. All right, y'all, before I do the open hi-hat and any other perks, I'm going to go ahead and lay down that 808 pattern. I'm finna go with the spins. Just that simple. Let's do it. We're going to tweak that out a little bit on the spins and make it a little bit shorter. We don't want it to be too long. Hey. Oh, my God. Hey, let's turn the velocity up. Hey, let's go ahead and copy this over. Hey, tough. Let's go ahead and copy that over and do some variations at the end. Swing this up. Hey, chill. I think I'm gonna change this last part. Woo! Hey! Yo! Chill! I'm gonna change up the snare a little bit, y'all. I got to now. That's it. Yep. That's right. Chill. Hey, it's getting tough, man. Let's go ahead and find us an open hi-hat. All right, y'all, for the open hat, I got this open hi-hat. I don't know where it came from, somewhere in my files, but I like it. It sounds like this. Let's use that. Hey, y'all ignore this huge wave on the piano roll. I accidentally dragged the spins into the piano roll. I don't know why it's doing that, but we're going to ignore it, act like it's not there. I kind of like that. Let's copy all that over. I would be remiss if I did not put a triangle on this beat. Gotta do it. Hey! Let's just go ahead and copy that over. All right, y'all, let's send all the drums to the mixing track. Let's go ahead and level some of them out. Write the bell down. All right, y'all, now we're going to play around with that hi-hat pattern and add some rolls and stuff like that. Let's do it. I think I'm going to add a roll right here. Option U to pull up that chopper, y'all. I think right here, just going to add one right here in the middle. And right here, I'm going to add another roll like we just did at the beginning. Option U once again. Let's take one off the end there. Yeah, I like that. Let's go ahead and copy that over, y'all. Real simple. We ain't gonna do nothing too crazy with our hats, man. Just add that little extra bounce with a couple rolls and go straight into it. I'm gonna do some light mixing to the snare. Yeah, my 808 sauce, y'all. I gotta put this EQ on the 808. Through the wave shape, y'all. It's the one. Let's go ahead and go down on some of the other sounds we got. Bring them down. Let's do a quick final mix of the beat on the EQ. Get rid of those harsh frequencies. I think that's pretty much it, y'all. Let's put a soft clipper on it. And y'all know the rule for the soft clipper, man. When you put that soft clipper on it, don't touch nothing. Don't do it. All right, y'all, we got the whole beat mixed up and arranged. Go ahead and check out some of the drops and the adds that I did. Check out some of the instruments in certain parts in the verse. I actually added a top part of that brass in the second half of the hook. And I added a stump part that's going to be in some of the bridge parts and in the entrance. Y'all check that out, man. It's real nice. Here go the whole beat. Let's do it. Hey.
Sometimes don't do them too bad.
Yeah. Hey. I hear JEEZY all on this one. Hey. Yo. Hey. Yo. And there y'all have it, folks. That's the beat, man. Came out hard, straight JEEZY, straight Gucci, 06, 07 type vibes, man. Trap or die, thug motivation, a trap house, trap back, man. If you was around in that time, man, you know, man, them mixtapes and them albums went too hard. But hey, if you like the beat, man, go ahead and subscribe to your boy. Go ahead and drop a like, hit the notification bell so you stay updated when I drop any new beats, man. Leave your comments and your thoughts below, man. The beat was tough. I think it was tough, and I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, man. But that's enough talking. Check out my other videos, man. It's your boy 2 Times. I'm out. I'll holler at y'all later, man.